日生日喺邊度聊啊？俾人 like 㗎。
Are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready for Krabi?
Hi, this is Patrick. Welcome back to my channel. And this is day 3 of our trip. We woke up at 6 a.m. this morning, a bit later than yesterday since everyone knows the drill of loading our luggage into the support van. After a short briefing, we rode out for breakfast, recommended by the support van driver again. I plotted our daily route and realized today's route through some villages from Trang to Krabi will be the most scenic. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did.